Hello friends, welcome to Tech Study Cell. In this video, we'll make a ESP32 home automation system to control the 8 appliances with the Blynk App, IR remote and also from the manual switches. And I have used just ESP32, a relay module and a IR receiver to make this project. So you don't need any custom designed PCB for this project. Let me show you how it works. First, I will control these lamps from the Blynk App. And you can see I can easily control this lamp. I can use this button to turn off all the lamp. Now let me use this IR remote to control the lamps, and I can easily control it with the IR remote. And I can use this button to turn off all the lamp, and you can see the real-time status in the Blynk app. Now let me use the manual switches to control these lamps. And again you can see the real-time status as ESP32 is connected with the Wi-Fi. Now let me turn off the Wi-Fi and show you how it works without internet. Now if the Wi-Fi is not available, the blue LED will automatically turn off, so I can control it from the manual switches. As you can see, I cannot see the real-time status as ESP32 is not connected with the Wi-Fi, and I can also control it from the IR remote if the Wi-Fi is not available. Now let me turn on the Wi-Fi again. Now ESP32 will automatically connect with the Wi-Fi, and as you can see the blue LED turns on, so I can control it from the Blynk app again. And you can see I can easily control it, and I can also see the real-time status in the Blynk app. So this is a very useful IoT based home automation project, as you can control the appliances from anywhere in the world through internet. And during the video I will share all the details, circuit, code, so you can easily make this project after watching the complete video. So let's get started. To make this home automation project, you need a ESP32, a 8-channel relay module, and to control the appliances manually you can use the existing switchboard or push button. Now we have to connect all these components as per this circuit diagram. In the circuit you can see I have given the 5V supply to ESP32 and the relay module. These switches are connected across the GPIO pin and the ground pin, and this IR receiver connected with the GPIO 35. Now if you use push button, then you can refer this circuit. Now to connect the appliances with the relay module, you can refer this circuit diagram. The circuit is simple, you can easily make this circuit, but as there are a lot of connection, so to make the circuit compact, I have designed a PCB for this project and ordered it from the JLC PCB. But as I said, you can also make this project without using any custom designed PCB. But still, if you want to use this custom designed PCB, then just download the GAVA file from the video description and order it from the JLC PCB. You can easily order any custom designed PCB from JLC PCB with 3 simple steps. First, upload the GAVA file of the PCB, then select the parameter like quantity, masking color, then place the order. If you select faster delivery service, then you will receive the PCB within a week. And as you can see, the quality of the PCB is very premium in this affordable price range. So you can always try out JLC PCB for your any custom design PCB project. These are the components required to make the circuit on the PCB, and after soldering all the components, the PCB will be look like this. Now I will connect the ESP32 with the PCB. Before programming the ESP32, I have to set up the Blynk app for this project. So I will open the Blynk app, then tap on new project. Here I have to give the name for this project. You can give any name. Then choose the device as ESP32 dev board. Connection type should be Wi-Fi. Now I will tap on create. Now Blynk will send the authentication token to the registered mail ID, which will be required in the code. Now I'll again tap on OK. Now I have to add 9 buttons, so I will add 9 buttons from the widget box. After that I will tap on the first button. So in the pin I will select virtual pin V1. With this button I will control the relay 1. Now as I am using an active low relay module, so to turn off the relay I will send 1, and to turn off the relay I will send 0, and mode will be switch. So thus we have configured the first button to control the relay 1. In a similar way I will configure the next 7 buttons with virtual pin V2 to V7 to control all the 8 relays. Now I will configure the last button with virtual pin 9. Let me tap on the button, and here I will select virtual pin 9 or V9, and here mode will be pushed. I will use this button to turn off all the relays, and here I will type all off. Now I will exit from this setup. Let me resize the button. So we have created all the widgets required for the Blynk. Here you can see I have connected the IR receiver with the ESP32 as per the circuit. Now I will connect the ESP32 with my laptop. These are the code for this project. To download the code, we have to visit our website iotcircuithub.com. I will share the link of the related article in the video description. Then you can download the code from this button. Now if you use push button, then you have to use this code. For the switch you have to use this code, and with this code we can get the hex code of the IR remote button. So first I will upload this code to get the hex code of the buttons. So you can see the code is very simple. Here I am using GPIO 35 to receive the hex code. I will select the ESP32 board and the proper port. Then I will hit the upload button. After uploading the code, you have to open the serial monitor and select the baud rate as 9600. Now you can easily get the hex code of the remote button. You just have to press the button and you can see the hex code in the serial monitor. Here you have to ignore this FFF. After getting the hex code, we can modify the main code. So this is the code for the switches, and you need these libraries for this code. You can download it from the given link or from the include library menu. Now here you can see these are the GPIO pin I have used for this project, and now we will update the Wi-Fi credential. Here you have to enter the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password. Now to get the authentication token sent by the Blynk, you have to visit the registered mail ID. So just copy it and paste it here. Now I have to update the hex code for the IR remote buttons. So I will go to the notepad file where I have saved all the hex code. So this is the hex code of button 1. So I will copy it and here I will paste it. In similar way, this is the hex code of button 2. This is the hex code of button 3. So you can use any IR remote button. You just have to update the hex code of the button to control the respective relay. So after doing these changes, we can directly upload the code to ESP32. For that I will go to tools, select the board as do it ESP32 dev kit v1 and the proper port. After that I can hit the upload button. I have connected these 8 lamps with the PCB as per the circuit. Now let me turn on the supply. You can see the blue LED turns on, so I can control it with the Blynk. Let me show you. Now let me control it with this IR remote, and I can also control it from the switch. Now as I said, you can also use push button to control these appliances instead of switches. So this is a very useful project. You can control it with Blynk, IR remote and from the manual switches. And you can also join our Telegram channel Tech Study Cell to get different home automation ideas. If you like this project, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more such home automation projects. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.